Now the echelon of maritime patrol aircraft. It consists of 3 special models of Y-8 aircraft and 10 JH-7A fighters. They are important in the Chinese Navy's aerial reconnaissance, early warning,